again, imaginary void. So it is December. Allegedly. It's not very cold. Actually kind of wish it were colder. I quite like cold weather. So it is December, which means we have the December boxes to open. So this month we have different external packaging for the Birchbox, which is kind of cool. See, there's little Christmas trees and stars and hills and stuff. It's very festive. So without, I'm always saying that. I'm always saying without further ado and then banging on, faffing about for ages afterwards. So I'm not going to say that anymore. I'm going to open the box. Oh my god. I think this is possibly the most beautiful one we've received so far. Look at it, it's so glittery. And it's got the same little trees and stuff around it as the box art did on the outside of the actual postal box thingy. So, this month's box, the December box theme, is Twinkle All the Way, which may suggest that there's lots of glittery stuff in here, which make me very happy.
December has well and truly arrived. Seriously, where has 2018 gone?
Right? Fucking hell.
To celebrate, we're embracing the glitz and glamour of the festive season with a seriously sparkly box.
Indeed.
Packed with goodies. From a party-proof lippy to 2 extra treats, we've got everything in place for you to twinkle all the way.
Okay, not looking at spoilers. I just hit myself in the nose with the first item. So the first item is a cute little comb. It's got a sort of pattern on it. Well, it's cute and useful because it's a nice, like, wide tooth, gentle on your hair sort of thing. Okay, next thing I pulled out appears to be, oh, this will be the lipstick that they gave us a choice of, which I forgot to choose, so mine's gonna be a surprise. Let's see what we got. It's Laritzi Tidal. I don't remember which one that was. Ah, that'll be the sort of pinky, sort of nude kind of one, which I guess if I had to choose, I would have preferred the other one, but we'll see. I've learned now that if I swatch on this side, it's actually visible, or if I swatch on the back of my hand. How about that? That's not as easy as it looks, you guys. So, right. It's the best swatch you've ever seen. Don't lie. So it's a kind of a pink, like a dark kind of, I don't know, pink color. I'm not good with lipstick shades. It's pink. It's some kind of sort of soft, muted, slightly dark-ish pink. Okay, next item is, it looks like, oh, yay! This is another liquid eyeliner from Iko. I still don't actually know the right way to say that. Iko. I'm not singing. No. Okay, no. Shut up, me. So yeah, this is another liquid eyeliner from Iko. I don't remember off the top of my head whether it was in the Birchbox or the Glossybox last month, but we got a fat one in one of the boxes last month. I'll put it on the screen in like text, either down here or up there somewhere, to tell you which one it actually was while I'm editing, but I don't know right now which one that was. But now I've got a skinny one. That's very exciting because it's quite good, I think. I used it today and it was very easy, which is nice. I like easy because I'm rubbish, and if it's not easy, I can't do it. So, awesome. Cool. Okay, next item is... Ooh! So this is from Hotel Chocolat, which is a... Well, it says British cocoa grower, but I know them as having a couple of places in London. One near Borough Market, and they have like all sorts of chocolate stuff, and they do savory food as well. I went there with a friend, and we had like an afternoon tea that was all chocolate based. So they had like cocoa gin cured salmon in little sandwiches and stuff like that. All just really like kind of clever, creative uses of chocolate, including normal chocolates that are sweet, and that I think is what is included in here. It has a duo of filled chocolates, so, yum. I didn't know we'd get edible things in this, although I guess this is a special chocolate treat for your December Birchbox, although you're sweet enough already. It actually says that. Aww. Go on. Go on, Hotel Chocolat. Okay, cool. Alright, next item is in a bottle sort of thing. It's, okay, natural skincare, Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. 99% natural, okay. Chamomile infused cleansing water. Cool. That's good, because chamomile tends to be quite gentle again, so that's good because I have obnoxious skin. Nice. Okay. Next to last item here is a Percy and Reed London Hair SOS Totally TLC Hydrating Mask. So it's another hair mask. We got one before, I think it was in the Birchbox, but I'll correct myself in editing again if I'm wrong. It was the, what were they called? It was called like hair food, and it was in that really colorful bottle, and I'll talk about all that when I actually like recap things and say what I thought of things I've actually used, which I'm not going to do right now, so I'm going to stop banging on. Anyway, it's a hydrating hair mask, and cool. I can always use that because I beat the shit out of my hair with bleach and stuff, so thank you. Okay, I think this is the last item. Yeah, I don't feel anything else in there except for the foam mat thing that like pads the bottom. So it's clearly a sheet mask. Let's see what it says. It's a bubble sheet mask by OK. So it's a Korean brand. Of course. I've got something Korean brand related coming up soon if I can ever get my ass in gear to film it. I have 3 videos I've filmed that I haven't edited yet because I'm crap. But I'll get to that and film more, which I have many of planned, several of which are hiding over here, ready to be looked at and filmed, brought out into the world for my imaginary audience's viewing pleasure. So, cool, bubble sheet mask. And yeah, so that is me done. Let's recap. We had the Laritzi Cosmetics lipstick here, which interestingly, the picture has them in a square lipstick thing. bullet because it's not a bullet. Okay, we have the Laritzi lipstick in, mine was Tidal. I could have gotten Power, which is the sort of more reddish orange looking one. Then we had the Bubble Sheet Mask, which was the last thing I looked at. The Iko, really need to look that up. The Iko Liquid Liner. The Balance Me Flash Cleanse Micellar Water. And the Percy and Reed Hair Mask. And then the comb and the chocolate were the sort of extra treats that they said they included in the box because it's Christmas. Isn't that sweet? Okay, and the January sneak peek is pick your full size cushion highlighter from Essence. So you either get apricot tinge or copper rose. So that was Birchbox. I think the thing I'm most excited about in this box is the black liquid liner because I really liked the thick one, so I'm looking forward to the skinny one and seeing what it's like. I love a bit of black liner. I'm kind of a black liner ophile. Thank you all for sitting through my yammerings. Hopefully this is going to be a much shorter video than the last few have been, so you might actually make it to the end for once. Thanks for tuning in, Void, and maybe I'll see you next time.